Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need the right items before you write the tag. First, pick an end tag 213/215/216 because they store URLs reliably. This matters for compatibility. Next, enable NFC on your phone and sign into your Google business account so you can verify the review link. Finally, generate the Google Review short URL or get the place ID and convert it to a review link. This is what you will write to the tag. Once done, open an NFC writing app and prepare to encode the link. You will now write the review link to the tag. Open your chosen NFC writer app and select Write URL or an NDEF record. Pasting the pre-built Google review link avoids mistakes. Tap the tag with your phone until the app confirms success. Make sure to test by tapping with different Android phones and iPhones that support NFC to confirm it opens the review prompt. If you want permanence, set the tag to read-only. Note this is irreversible. Also label where the tag is placed for staff. Deploy the tag where customers naturally touch, counter, receipt holder, or key fob. Secure it so it stays readable. After deployment, walk through the customer flow and tap a phone to verify the review prompt appears. If it doesn't, recheck the URL or place ID you encoded and confirm the tag's NDEF content in the app. If problems persist, try reformatting the tag or writing the link to a different end tag type. This often fixes compatibility issues. One key troubleshooting tip: always test before final adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.